Bitcoin and Ethereum have made a lot of people very rich. Just $10 in Bitcoin 7 years ago would be worth $7.5 million today. And $100 in Ethereum has increased to as much as $66,290 in under 2 years. There are stories everywhere of people getting rich, like Chris Hansen, who turned $27 into $886,000, or Marcus Andrews, who started with $300 and ended up with $80,000. Or look at my story. I've personally invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I've collected bigger gains here than anything else in my life. For example, I bought Bitcoin twice, 10 coins at $83.40 and 10 more at $128. Today, my 20 coins trade nearly 24 times higher. And I also bought Ethereum last November at $9.70 before it rocketed to $355. I was up over 3,500%. But here's the thing nobody's talking about. Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't the real stories anymore. It's the smaller, lesser-known new digital currencies that are rewarding investors with the next round of huge wins. For example, I recently obtained 27,000 coins in a tiny new digital currency for just 18.5 cents per coin. Those coins now trade for around $4 each, 1,981% higher, and I invested in another one that's jumped from $1.50 to $10.71. Yet, this opportunity is just getting started. Today, I'll show you the new digital currencies that can turn as little as $10 into over $1 million in the blink of an eye. Yes, that's right. A single crisp $10 bill could make you a millionaire. It's not only possible, it's actually happening right now. Consider, investors have seen gains of 75,063% in Kryptonite, 59,577% in Influx Coin, 60,450% in Max Coin, and even 823,750% in Dubai Coin. Tiny new digital currencies are offering profits far bigger than Bitcoin, and much more quickly. Now, to be clear, you don't need to be a computer whiz for this, and you don't need to know every detail about how digital currencies works. Rather, you only need someone with a little know-how to show you how to set yourself up for the biggest profit ride of your life. I've personally made over 600% in one digital currency, more than 1,981% in a second, and over 3,500% in another, and I expect to make a whole lot more. As Business Insider CEO Henry Blodgett recently stated, there is infinite upside. Digital currencies are the one place in the markets where you can start with $10 and turn that into real money fast. CNBC just did a story on a high school dropout who bought Bitcoin at $12 and is now a millionaire. And the top investors in the world are all going in on the new digital currencies. Mark Cuban, Apple's Steve Wozniak, billionaire Mark Novogratz, all of them recently invested heavily in digital currencies. Novogratz even called it the best investment of my life. But here's where it gets truly exciting. A new set of coins are being launched now that could help you turn as little as $10 into over $1 million. I've never seen profit opportunities like this before, in any market and at any time. For example, in one recent week, 23 separate digital currencies doubled in value. 23 in 1 week. By comparison, the S&P 500 hasn't seen a single stock double yet this year, not one. With digital currencies, the gains are out of this world, but only those who recognize the opportunity right now will see the fast profits. A coming event in November 2017 could result in the biggest gains yet. So if you're the type who is paralyzed by anything new, or the kind of person who always waits till the party is over to get in, then you may want to sit this one out too. But if you follow the evidence I'll lay out in the next few minutes, I think you'll see that digital currencies are on the verge of creating new millionaires all over the world. If you hesitate, you risk missing the greatest wealth opportunity of a generation. My name, by the way, is Adam Sharp. I'm the founder of Early Investing, a business my partner and I created to help everyday people understand and profit from the most exciting new investments on the market. A lot of people out there are told the only recipe for growing their wealth is to buy blue chips or index funds, and then wait 30 years for your money to slowly grow. And while that's all well and good for some, I'm living proof that you can increase your wealth much faster. The key is identifying explosive opportunities in the fastest growth areas outside the stock market. I've been up over 50 times my money in private placement deals, and I've already made a fortune in digital currencies. I first got in on Bitcoin at $83.40 and $128, only to watch it soar to over $2,000. But now I've turned my attention to the new digital currencies. For example, I got in on one called Ant Shares earlier this year. At the time, it was trading for just $1.50, but I watched it climb to $10.71 in less than a month. I bought Ethereum at $9.70 in November 2016 before it rocketed to $355. I was up 3,559%, and I recently obtained 27,000 coins in a tiny digital currency for just 18.5 cents each. The value of my position has increased as much as 1,981%. I cashed out $12,000 at $3.50, but still hold the rest, nearly $100,000 in total. The point is, a lot of people out there talking about Bitcoin and digital currencies don't truly understand them. But I've lived it. I've made a great deal of money from it. But there's so much more to make going forward. We haven't even scratched the surface. You could look at putting a small amount of money in Bitcoin. There's nothing wrong with that. In fact, many experts believe Bitcoin will one day be worth over $1 million per coin. Tim Draper, recognized as one of the 100 most powerful people in finance, says Bitcoin will quickly reach $10,000 and won't stop there. Financial analyst Rick Falkvinge, each Bitcoin could be worth $100,000 at the low market cap and $1 million at the high market cap. And Bitcoin expert Trace Meyer shows that if you move just 1% of offshore cash balances into Bitcoin, you are looking at $2.8 million per Bitcoin. But the big fast money is now in new digital currencies. There are now dozens of small digital currencies trading for just a few cents that are moving up dramatically over very short periods, like Ash. It traded for just 2 cents a coin, then shot up to $1.15. $100 turned into $5,750, or No Limit Coin. It jumped 5,248% in 6 days from June 14th to June 20th. Every $100 turned into $5,348. Or Mediterranean Coin. Between March 4th and June 30th, it's up 8,313%. Imagine collecting 83 times your money in just 3 months. And as you're about to see, 83 times your money may even be just a start. Some of the gains we're seeing are so big, you could actually turn as little as $10 into more than $1 million. If you're interested in getting in on ultra-cheap digital currencies that have even more upside potential, the profit opportunities are endless. With most of these digital currencies, you can get in for just a few pennies. Yet, they have the potential to rise to $10, $50, even $1,000 per coin. The upswings are happening so fast, we can hardly keep up. So why is this happening? Why are digital currencies rocketing higher? Let me explain. The number one objection I hear when I talk about Bitcoin is that Bitcoin has no real value. Because it's a digital currency, some people believe it's less valuable than physical currency, and I can understand the criticism. You can't hold these coins in your hand, and most people haven't owned or transacted in them yet. It's new and misunderstood. And people are always skeptical about new innovations. Look at what happened when the internet was first introduced. Magazines like Newsweek declared it nothing but a bunch of hype. They made spectacularly wrong predictions like, no online database will replace your daily newspaper. One day we'll look back at some of the doubters of digital currencies and ask, how could they have been so blind? Because those who today believe Bitcoin is just a fad haven't really studied the situation closely enough. The key reasons these digital currencies are being created and why they are skyrocketing in value is because people are sick and tired of the government and the banks controlling all of their money. Think about the dollars in your pocket. The government prints as many as they want, whenever they want, always decreasing the value of your money. It's the reason the dollar has lost 97% of its value since 1913. But by comparison, digital currencies have a strict limit on creation of new coins, so they actually go up in value. Take a look at this chart of digital currency prices. It's going in the exact opposite direction of dollars. Wouldn't it be nice if the dollars in your pocket or your bank actually went up in value? With digital currencies, that actually happens. Digital currencies can also be much cheaper in terms of transaction costs. Try to move as little as $10,000 in cash and you'll encounter all kinds of fees, laws, and roadblocks in your way. But digital currencies can be transferred easily in seconds. Microsoft founder Bill Gates summed it up nicely. Bitcoin is better than currency, he said during a Bloomberg TV interview. For large transactions, currency can get pretty inconvenient. Fidelity CEO told the Wall Street Journal that digital currencies like Bitcoin are a more efficient way to settle transactions. The smartest minds know it's a better way of doing business, and the excitement surrounding digital currencies right now is only getting bigger. Just look at this chart showing the number of digital currency transactions taking place across the globe. It's going straight up. The United States is leading the way. We have the highest number of users, but worldwide, it's growing spectacularly fast. Japan has just passed legislation declaring that digital currencies can be legal tender. South Korea is now one of the largest digital currency exchange markets. And China has become one of the largest hubs for cryptocurrency. Denmark, ranked 6th in Forbes' 100 Best Countries for Business, recently declared they want to go 100% digital currency. Other countries seeing massive growth in Bitcoin usage include Sweden, Finland, Canada, Australia, and the UK. And businesses across the globe are accepting digital currencies as forms of payment. Digital currencies are now accepted by companies all over the country. You can shop on Amazon, order television service through Dish Network, buy a Dell computer, or get groceries at Whole Foods, and the list goes on and on. Subway, Expedia, WordPress, Reddit, Virgin Galactic, OkCupid, Tiger Direct, CheapAir.com, Tesla, Wikipedia, Zynga, Etsy vendors, Overstock, Bloomberg, Gap, GameStop, JCPenney, Europacific, SimplePay, Stripe, Webjet. Every single one of these companies allows customers to use at least one form of digital currency. It's plain to see that digital currencies are exploding in use, yet over 99% of investors are still sitting on the sidelines, and they're going to watch the few people who act immediately collect all the rewards. Digital currencies are delivering profits like never before, and if you identify the right ones, you could make more money in a few months than an entire lifetime of investing. In fact, in a moment, I'll show you how just $10 can make you a millionaire. But first, let me show you just how big some of the gains are in digital currencies right now. Let's start with the classic case, Ethereum. It's now the second biggest digital currency behind Bitcoin. Ethereum is a form of smart money, far more secure than traditional dollars, euros, or even gold. That security is the very reason JP Morgan, Microsoft, and Intel backed it. But just a short while ago, nobody had heard of it. Back in January 2016, Ethereum was trading for just 96 cents per coin. So you could have had 1,000 Ethereum coins for just $960. But here's what happened next. By April, it was up to $7.42. 1,000 coins equals $7,420. In September, it reached $12.68. 1,000 coins equals $12,680. Come March 2017, it was up to $29.92. 1,000 coins equals $29,920. On May 22nd, coins traded for $186.89. 1,000 coins equals $186,890. And by June 13, 2017, it peaked at $391.51. Your 1,000 coins would have grown from $960 to $391,510. That's an exceptional 40,682% return in 18 months. To give you some idea how crazy that is, consider this. Google's total return since it started trading is just 1,682%. Ethereum returned 24 times more profit in just 18 months. But here's the thing. What Ethereum experienced is just the beginning in other digital currencies. We're seeing dozens of new coins explode in value very quickly. Take Ash, for example. It's a new coin that launched on April 1st, 2017. Almost nobody had ever heard of it, so it traded for just 2 cents per coin. At that price, you could have taken a flyer on it and purchased 5,000 coins for just $100. Just 80 days later, Ash coins were trading 5,650% higher, and your single $100 bill would have grown to $5,750 in less than 3 months. Or take another digital currency like Fastcoin. In February 2017, it was so cheap that a tiny $100 investment landed you several thousand Fastcoins. All you had to do is leave those coins sitting in your account and wait. 4 months later, here's what happened. Your $100 had turned into $13,695. $500 would have been worth $68,475, and $1,000 would have grown into $136,950. But let's say you started with just $10. Let me give you an example of how that could hand you $1 million with digital currency in just 2 trades. One of the things I love about digital currencies is that they are so incredibly cheap. That means you can often buy thousands of coins for just a few $100s. And if those coins soar in value, you can become incredibly wealthy. Dubai Coin is a perfect example. It launched on March 7, 2016. And at the time, every $1 got you over 1,000 Dubai coins. So let's say you wanted to just give it a shot and put $10 down. $10 bought you 10,941 coins. Then you forgot about them. You went about your business until 1 year later on March 2nd, 2017, you check your account to find your $10 in Dubai coin is now worth $4,105. That's how powerful these digital currencies can be. You've made 400 times your money in 1 year. You're pretty pleased. But let's say you also hear about a new digital currency called Kryptonite. You wouldn't want to bet all your winnings on a new play. So, imagine you pocket $2,000 in profit. Pretty amazing when you started with just $10. You tuck that $2,000 away as profit no matter what. And from there, you're playing with house money. You use the remaining $2,105 to buy Kryptonite just a few days later on March 14, 2017. Here's what happened after that. Your $2,105 purchase suddenly balloons to untold heights. Kryptonite grows in value by 75,063%. And in your account, you find $2,105 is now worth $1,582,194. You've managed to turn just $10 into over $1 million in 2 trades. Now, this would have taken great timing and an extraordinary amount of luck to pull off. But when your total risk is just $10, I'd say looking for opportunities like this is, well, worth it. Digital currencies are the only place rare and exceptional enough to deliver gains big enough to make this happen. I can name dozens of coins that delivered massive results like 8,294% in Quark, 13,595% in Fastcoin, 5,683% in Ash, 8,313% in Mediterranean Coin, 5,248% in No Limit Coin, 6,045% in Max Coin, 7,477% in Golem Coins, 11,328% in Decred Coins, 6,792% in WorldCoin, 75,063% in Kryptonite, 59,577% in Influx Coin, and 823,750% in Dubai coins. Of course, not every digital currency is going to work out, but can you show me one other investment sector that gives you the chance to make so much while risking so little? Especially when you have access to someone like me who identified these winners long before the mainstream media. Only in digital currencies will a single $10 bill have the potential to make you rich. In fact, with Bitcoin itself, just $10 invested 7 years ago would be worth $7.5 million today. People's lives are changing very quickly because of digital currency profits. Take Charles Sinclair. He was working a boring banking job when he decided to invest $7,000 in a digital currency. Since then, I've made a little over $300K, he says. Now, Charles has quit his banking job to start his own business. He's living the American dream. Or look at Marcus Andrews. In 2 years, he turned $300 into $80,000 and counting. Or take the story of Chris Hansen out of Norway. Back in 2009, he was writing a paper about new digital currencies. During his research, he discovered Bitcoin and bought just $27 worth. He promptly forgot about it and didn't even look at his account again until years later. By then, his $27 investment had grown into $886,000. He sold a fifth of it to buy a nice apartment in one of the wealthy areas of Norway's capital. These are stories you don't see in any market except digital currencies. $27 would never give you the chance to be a near millionaire in the stock market. My belief is that everyone should own at least a small amount of digital currencies. $10, $50, $100. Buy some today and forget about it for a while. And in a short time, there's a very real chance it could change your life. I've found several digital currencies that I believe could return many times your money in the months ahead. But you must act quickly on this. Consider, in just the past month alone, 1 million new users joined the major Bitcoin exchange, Coinbase. People are finally waking up to the potential here. This is the last chance at the biggest profits. A few of the best digital currencies have been offered in initial coin offerings, and I'm recommending you get in during November 2017 for maximum profits. But before I get into that, let me explain to you exactly why digital currencies rise in value so quickly. It comes down to simple mathematics. You see, unlike paper currency, Bitcoin and other digital currencies have a fixed limit on the creation of new coins, and almost all digital currencies follow this basic rule of keeping the number of coins limited. As TechCrunch reports, when the code for Bitcoin was written, it was designed to be a currency with no more than 21 million Bitcoins ever in circulation. And after that, no new Bitcoins will be created ever. That's 21 million Bitcoins max, which may sound like a lot. But of the 21 million possible coins, 16.5 million have already been mined and are in circulation. That means all of the Bitcoins there will ever be, 78.5%, are already out there. Very few Bitcoins will ever be created going forward. By comparison, the U.S. Bureau of Engraving and Printing prints up 541 million in new dollars each day. That's $197 billion each year. No wonder the dollar keeps dropping in value. So think about this from an investment perspective. With dollars, the government creates more and more every day with no end in sight. With gold, yes, it has real value, but new gold can also be pulled out of the ground, and more is mined every year, 2,500 tons of it in fact. But with digital currencies, you know that once it hits the limit, none will ever be created again. That's why prices are going up so fast, and why they will go much higher still. With my help, you can target 2 or 3 new digital currencies where you can put in as little as $10 and give yourself the chance to make $1 million. But you need to act now for the chance to bank 100 times your money or better in just the next few months. It's happened over and over again already, but this truly is an exceptional opportunity that may not last forever. People will catch on and the big profits will be gone. And let me assure you, the opportunities are massive. Everyone is so focused on Bitcoin and Ethereum that they are often missing the smaller guys who are delivering huge profits. Decred coins are a prime example. They are designed to make it even easier to invest in and use digital currencies. It's now compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. In December, you could have collected Decred coins for just 42 cents each. You can easily buy quite a few coins at that price. Then all you had to do is sit back and enjoy the ride. 6 months later, Decred coins were trading 11,328% higher. Or look at the story behind Golem coins. Picture for a minute that it's the morning of January 1st, 2017. You wake up, go to your computer, and make a small purchase. You put $10 into a little-known digital currency called Golem coins. At about 100 coins per $1, your $10 gets you 1,090 coins. A big haul, especially considering what happened to those coins next. Little did you know that just a few months later, Golem coins would be the 10th most valuable digital currency in the world. By mid-June, the price of the coins had increased over 75-fold in price. That's a return of 7,477% in 6 months. At a generous 10% per year, it would take you over 45 years to match that return through the stock market. That's why digital currencies are so amazing right now. The prices are so low that they can multiply very quickly. And here's what else I really love about digital currencies. As I've said, even with $10, you can make some real money. Look at Maxcoin. On February 2nd, 2017, it was so cheap you could have received 31,645 Maxcoins for just $10. Of course, there's some risk there. Maxcoin at the time was an unknown digital currency. But hey, if you lose $10, I think you'll agree it's no big deal. And with Maxcoin, you wouldn't have lost your $10. Far from it. 4 months later, it was trading over 600 times higher. So let's look at those 3 gains I just showed you. Decred jumped 11,328%. Golem leapt by 7,477%. And Maxcoin was up by 60,450%. Here's what gains like that can do for you. Put $10 into an 11,328% winner, and it turns into $1,142.38. Take half out as profit, and you have $571 left. Put that $571 into a 7,477% winner, and it turns into $43,264. Take half the profits out for yourself again, and you're left with $21,632. And put that into a 60,450% winner like MaxCoin, and you're coming out of it with $13,098,176. Pretty amazing, I'd say. In what other investment sector could $10 hand you $13 million? Even though this is a hypothetical and gains this large would be tough to duplicate in the real world, I'm sharing it with you to show you how powerful these sort of big gains can be. You don't see 11,000% gains in the stock market, and you certainly don't see 60,000% gains, but with digital currencies, they are happening, and with some regularity. Yes, there is risk in digital currencies, and I wouldn't recommend anyone put in more than they can afford to lose. But when you risk just $10 and still potentially come away with real money, there is no reason whatsoever to miss out on these opportunities. And remember, these gains came without almost any of the regular public knowing about them. Have you ever seen a news article about MaxCoin or Decred or Dubai Coin or any of the other rare digital currencies I mentioned today? No, because they are still in the extreme early stages of their growth. The gains could get even bigger starting in November, so now is the time to act. Again, I recommend that everyone own at least a small amount of digital currencies. In fact, I recommend you own some Bitcoin too, since it could very well explode much higher in value. And you're free to do whatever you like with the proceeds. Whether that's to buy a new house, like Chris Hansen did after he turned $27 into $886,000, or to quit a dull job like Charles Sinclair did. He turned $7,000 into $300,000 and then decided to start his own business. But if you continue sitting on the sidelines waiting to see what happens, you'll probably never achieve your dreams. We could see many go from just pennies to hundreds of dollars. And there are 3 digital currencies in particular that I consider must own. The chance to get 100x or even 1000x gains is real here. Remember, just this year, we've seen 8,294% in Quark, 13,595% in Fastcoin, 5,683% in Ash, 8,313% in Mediterranean Coin, 5,248% in No Limit Coin, 6,045% in MaxCoin, 7,477% in Golem Coins, 11,328% in Decred Coins, 6,792% in WorldCoin, 75,063% in Kryptonite, 59,577% in Influx Coin, and 823,750% in Dubai Coins. If you had risked just $10 in each of those 12 coins, you'd have $103,116 today. $100 in each, and your bank account would be $1,031,165 higher. In other words, you could be a millionaire today. The key is simply identifying those with the biggest chance of success and putting small investments in each. So let me give you the few things I look for that help me identify the biggest winners. There are many new digital currencies launched every month in initial coin offerings, or ICOs. Often the ICO is the time when you can get in at the best prices, perhaps for just a few pennies. And as the Wall Street Journal reports, initial coin offerings are exploding in value. Now they do move up and down, sometimes dramatically. It's not a straight-up shot. And there are some ICOs that are going to fail just as there are some stocks that go bust. Some ICOs are poorly run and aren't ready to handle very fast growth, while others will go up as much as 1000x. So we must avoid the losers and hit the winners. What I've done is built a system to identify the coins with the biggest chance of delivering 10, 100, even 1000x your money very quickly. There are 10 must-have conditions for a successful digital currency. 3 of them I can't reveal here. They are critical components to my system that I can't give out. But the other 7 are very important. When a digital currency meets these conditions, it's a recipe for very fast growth. And I'll show you what they are. Digital currency condition number 1, an experienced development team. The primary coders behind the currency must be knowledgeable, competent, and serious about their mission. Digital currency condition number 2, fair distribution structure. I only want to invest in coins that are available to investors at great prices. If the developers want to reward themselves with the bulk of the coins, then I know it's unlikely to be a good deal. Digital currency condition number 3, wide use. This one is crucial. If nobody uses the coin, it's not likely to grow in value. But if its use is widespread, it's going to go up in value very quickly. Digital currency condition number 4, scale. In order for these coins to grow in value, they have to be able to handle thousands of transactions. So I only look for coins that are prepared for a huge influx of users. Digital currency condition number 5, security. Between cyber attacks, identity theft, and government spying, it often seems like there is no privacy left. However, many digital currencies offer security and privacy unlike any other type of money. And the most secure digital currencies are the ones that often get the most users. Digital currency condition number 6, great price. I want to be able to get in very cheap. That way I can put in just a few dollars and have the chance at a massive return in a short period. Digital currency condition number 7, social activity. It's very important to see how much people are talking about a new digital currency. If Bitcoin investors are discussing it heavily on message boards, if news organizations are writing articles about it, if its Google searches are rising dramatically, that means word of mouth is spreading, and a big move is imminent. This one is absolutely vital and almost always leads to very big gains. Now, 3 digital currencies in particular fit my criteria right now. They are the types where you can put in $10 or $100 and still give yourself the chance for thousands in reward. And I've put together a new dossier detailing each one. It's called How to Score a Massive Fortune on the Next 3 Digital Currency Superstars. My manual will give you the names of the 3 currencies. It will explain how to buy them, how to mitigate risk, and how long you should hold on before exiting with a profit. You'll get details on one new digital currency that experts say could be worth more than Bitcoin very soon. Inc.com calls it a grand slam for tech. And companies all over the country are starting to use this digital currency. In fact, 86 big corporations recently signed an agreement to use it, and Barclays even started using the same type of technology in its own trading. It's been called the next hot thing in cryptocurrencies and the digital currency of the moment. Bottom line, you need to get a few dollars into it today. But in my guide, How to Score a Massive Fortune on the Next 3 Digital Currency Superstars, you'll also get access to 2 more. It's the second one I'm most excited about. For as much as I love Bitcoin, this second digital currency I'm recommending could eventually overtake it in value. That means it has the chance to go to $1 million as well, but from a much lower starting point. And that means much higher profit potential for you. This could be the one that turns every $100 into $1 million or more. Why? Because this digital currency has proven it's possible to transfer money at perhaps the fastest pace ever and with the lowest costs. In May, the first ever Lightning transfer was completed using this currency to send money between Zurich and San Francisco in a fraction of a second. And why is that important? Imagine for a second that you're a Wall Street trader and you need to make trades and transfer cash as fast as possible. Now imagine that by using this digital currency, you can speed that process up to the fastest ever completed. You'd have a huge trading advantage. And that's why I expect this digital currency to become widely used in the months ahead. I'll explain the easy way to buy this coin in my report. Plus, there's a third digital currency I want to tell you about as well. This one is the most speculative, but it also has the highest profit potential. Currently, it trades for just around 15 cents per coin. So every $100 you invest would get you 667 coins. The goal of the developers of this currency is to create new money based on financial freedom and decentralization, and it's catching on fast. The developers just announced a $40 million global development plan. They just partnered with a group that built Australia's largest Bitcoin exchange. This gives them access to the biggest growth markets for digital currencies in Asia. Users are soaring. The price recently doubled in 1 week, but it's not even close to where it's going. It could go up 100-fold and still be considered cheap. You'll find out everything you need to know in my report, and I'll send it to you for free right now. Along with that, I'd like to send you a second report called How to Become the Next Bitcoin Millionaire. In this second report, I'll show you how to buy a little bit of Bitcoin itself. I'll explain how to set up a digital wallet and how a single Bitcoin could make you a millionaire. It's an additional report I'd like to give you completely free. All I ask is that you give me the chance to prove to you how valuable my work is. Remember, I've already personally made over 600%, 1,900%, and 3,500% trading 3 digital currencies. So I've made it my mission to spread the good word and show everyone the importance of this new market. That's why, as the founder of Early Investing, I created a new research service that helps subscribers identify the biggest and fastest profit opportunities outside the stock market.